Hello everyone, I am going to explain first question from exercise 3.4. In this question, solve the following quadratic equation by method of completing the square. So a quadratic equation is available to us and we have to solve this. Solve means we have to find out the values of x by the method completing the square. So in completing the square method, what we have to do is we have to convert the complete equation in the form of either x plus y whole square or in the form of x minus y whole square. So this complete equation we have to convert in the form of x plus y whole square or in the form of x minus y whole square. So we'll start the steps. So first we'll write down the equation, that is 4x square plus 4bx minus a square minus b square equal to 0. In first step we have to keep only the terms of x in the left side and the terms which don't have x we have to shift in the right hand side. So when we had done this, I obtained this equation because this 4x square and 4bx have x term x, that's why we kept them in the left side, but this term don't have x, so we have to shift in the right hand side. So this is our first step, and in the second step what we have to do is we have to keep the coefficient of x square 1, we have to bring that. Since here the coefficient is 4 and 4 is in multiplication and 4 we have to remove, so multiplication's opposite is division. That's why this complete equation we are going to divide by 4. So we'll write down here on dividing above equation by 4. So when we divide it under each term, write down 4. So 4bx divided by 4 is equal to a square upon 4 minus b square upon 4. Now just see here, why we are dividing by 4? To remove the coefficient of x square, and 4 is in multiplication, so we are dividing by 4. If you have here 5, 6, 7, then by that you have to divide. Now here what I have done is, first I open the bracket, since plus is outside, so when we will open the bracket, sign will not change. So this a square have plus sign, so plus into plus is plus a square. No sign means it's of plus sign, and then plus minus minus. Now we will simplify this equation. When we simplify, we can note that 4 can be cancelled by 4 and here also 4 can be cancelled by 4, and here we cannot do anything, so we will keep the right side as it is. So when we simplify, we will obtain only x square plus bx is equal to a square upon 4 minus b square upon 4. Because students 4 points cancelled by 4, so only 1 appeared, and 1 multiplied by x square is x square. In the same way, 4 divided by 4 is 1 and 1 multiplied by bx is bx. So no need to write down here 1, it's understood that 1 is always there. Now so second step is completed. So what was the first step? To keep only x in the left hand side and non-x in the right hand side, and in step second we have to bring the coefficient of x square 1. So second step completed, and in third step we are going to write down the coefficient of x in the rough side. So the coefficient of x is what here? B, and multiply it by half. So we will get here b upon 2. Now whatever our product you obtain, just a whole square you have to do. So b upon 2 whole square you have to do. Again I am explaining. In third step, whatever be the coefficient of x, you just write down in the side. Multiply it by coefficient, you just multiply by half. Always you have to multiply by half. That will give you b upon 2. Then b upon 2 square you just add in both the sides. So when we do this, we will write here on adding b upon 2 whole square in both sides of above equation. So when we do this, we are going to write down first whatever be the equation, and we will add b upon 2 whole square So just see here what I had done. First I wrote here x square as it is plus bx as it is, and then I added this b upon 2 square in the left side with these two terms. Along these two terms, this b upon 2 square also came. Now along these two terms, I wrote first these two terms in right side, and then I added b upon 2 square. Now we will simplify it. Now this side we can write in the form of, first I am just want to explain you one formula. The formula of x plus y whole square is x square plus 2xy plus y square. You all knew it already. So we are going to convert this left hand side also in the same format. So 2 multiplied by b upon 2 multiplied by x plus b upon 2 whole square is equal to, now what I had done is, you can note here x square I wrote as it is, because we want to convert the left side in complete square. We want it in the form of x plus y whole square. So the first term should be in the square, which is already in the square, and the middle term should come as 2 multiplied by x multiplied by y. That's why I wrote here 2 multiplied by b upon 2 multiplied by x. Now why I wrote this? Because student, with this 2 what we have, x and y, whatever be in the extreme, that is extreme is x square and y square. So here instead of x square we have x only, but instead of y square, what is our y? B upon 2. So here 2yx. So this came here. Once when we cancel it, it's going to again bx. Means bx I not changed. I wrote only bx in the other format, but meaning is remain same. So indirectly I converted this equation in the form of x square plus 2x y into x plus y square. So this is our y, b upon 2 is our y, and x is only x. Now in this side, these two terms we will write down as it is, and here we will do the square. So when we will do this, we are going to get a square upon 4 minus b square upon 4 plus b square upon 4. Now in next here they have opposite sign, so they will cancel each other. So we are going to remain with only a square upon 4. So in next step we are going to get, so left hand side is in the form of x plus b upon 2 whole square, and in the right side we obtain only a square upon 4, because I already explained you it is in the form of x square plus 2xy multiplied by y square. That's why. Now we want only x, so we don't want the square, so we will take square root in both the sides. So we will get here x plus b upon 2 is equal to square root plus minus square root of a square upon 4. Because student here square is there, so when square will shift here, you have to take the square root in another side. So when we simplify it further, we are going to get x plus b upon 2 is equal to plus minus bracket a upon 2. Now why we obtain this? Because student, this a is in square, so it will come out of the root symbol, and 4 square root is 2. Now we will take one by one both the cases. Once we will take plus a upon 2, and second time we will take minus a upon 2. So case first and case second. Case first, if x plus b upon 2 is equal to plus a upon 2, then x is equal to plus a upon 2 minus b upon 2, which we can take the LCM and we can write it as a minus b upon 2. So what we are doing is, here we obtained plus minus, and this thing I hope that you already know. Whenever we have to take the square root, the answer used to come in plus and minus both. So we have to take a plus minus sign, and in case first, once we have to consider a upon 2 as plus sign, and second time in case second we have to consider it as minus sign. So when we took a upon 2 as plus sign, this is we have to obtain here x. So b upon 2 we have to shift in the right side, so it have plus sign. So when we shift here, is going to be in the minus sign. Take LCM. We cannot solve it further. These are different variables. We cannot subtract and we cannot solve also. So this is our last answer for x. Now case second we have to take. In case second we have to write down here case second. In case second we have to write down if x plus b upon 2 is minus a upon 2. In that situation, what is x we have to calculate. So minus a upon 2 as it is, and b upon 2 we are shifting again, so it's going to be minus b upon 2. Again just take the LCM. So when you will take LCM, it's going to be minus a minus b. That's it. So that's our answer. And in this, since these both have minus sign, so you can take minus common outside. So when you will take minus common, minus minus plus used to come, so it's going to be minus a plus b upon 2. So that's our answer. So two answers we obtained. First, x is equal to a minus b upon 2. And second answer, x is equal to minus bracket a plus b upon 2. So I hope this completing the square method is clear to you. And so in this there are 3 steps. By keeping 3 steps in your mind, step by step you just proceed. Automatically answer will come. Further, if you have any doubt in any problem, you can write in comment, because I only uploaded from question number 1, I uploaded only 3 parts. The many parts you just try by that, and if you have any problem in any part, then write in the comment so that I can make the video for that particular part, and we are going to upload that very soon. Thank you.